Say hi. What are you doing? Ha. This is Logan saying, "Give me the camera." Boo. Can you get your toy? Your toy. Get him in here. Get him. Here. He takes all of his toys out of his basket, plays with them one at a time, and then throws them to the side. Ta-da! Who's next? You're no fun! Get the fish. Get that fish. What? You silly boy. Say, I'm eating. I'm not happy today. Can we see him? Can we see him? Let me see. No, not if your tongue is in the way. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. He says, no, Mama. Let me see. No, Mama, don't. Oops, wrong way. Oh, very sad baby today.